Hello, summer weather. The heat is back and so is Airsoft outdoors. Got another great day to share with you guys. Of course, got some objectives to play, but also plenty of kills in between to make for an action-packed return to the home field. Enjoy. Watch out, moving right. Left side, left side, left side. He's hit. Left side's hit, guys. Oh God. Yeah. Here, use your radio. I can't hear you. You have to turn it on. 2.
Come to you?
Yeah, go to this tree to my right and then peek the left side of it. Story of my life.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. One down.
There was one more over there, but not worried.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, that's nice one here.
Stop! Wait a minute! Look!
There's 4 of us.
I'm gonna come out. I'm coming in. One down, middle of the barn. That's right in front of us.
Right there?
Yeah. Oh, one down, back left of the barn. Do we have friendlies behind us outside or no?
No.
Excuse me, what?
Hit!
Oh, hit.
I'm gonna charge.
One down in the back. Another one down in front of the barrier. Wearing tan. One down behind barrier. Moving.
Back right side.
Okay.
We got a couple way back in the bush.
He's moving right. Moving right, guys, moving right.
Yeah.
Now, Jamie, watch your left side. The slits on that door.
Okay, I'm hit anyway.
In the barn?
Oh god, yeah, wearing a ghillie. Yeah. He's on like the right side of the pallet.
You have a grenade?
I do, but a bit ambitious. As soon as that guy walks past, it's dead. I'm gonna stand up.
Watch your left there, hey? All right.
Backside, you see him? Backside left.
The tree's in the way, tree's in the way.
Coming on your right.
Yeah. He's dead, he's dead.
You down?
Yeah. Back corner of that barn, he's dead.
I'm moving to the tree in front of you.
There's one by the pallet in the back right.
Back right.
Right there. Yeah, back right. Somewhere by that pallet still.
Wait, we have respawns, right? Oh, that's a sniper back there. Grenade!
Oh, we got him? Oh, okay. I was about to run up.
Poke your head up. He's honestly just the perfect throw, right? Because you duck.
We're in the building.
In the building.
Oh, we're in it?
Yeah, they cleared it out.
Sit in the building forever.
No, bottom line got cleared. We're clearing the building now.
Where's your hammer? We'll open the door here.
This guy.
Yeah, the low side's clear. We got to clear the building.
Alrighty, that's all I've got for today. Pretty stoked I got that grenade kill though. So far, that's the furthest I've thrown that little guy for a confirmed kill. As the grenade opened up, all the BBs showered up and over the sniper's cover. By the way, I did take my indoor scope cam out to record with, just to see if it would be viable. I'm afraid it wasn't, and I had to zoom in the footage a bit through editing. Hopefully it's still clear enough for you guys. Next time I'll use a camera with better magnification for outdoor gameplay. Anyway, it feels so good to be back outside running around. Hope to see you guys out there enjoying some good weather. See you next time.